press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with another learning vlog. I hope that today's class is going to be an interesting one, is it? So let's see about today's class. So now today I am going to discuss about the adverbs. You know, in the parts of speech we have the adverbs also. Adverbs, words. So like which are the rules and how we are going to identify the adverbs in a sentences, and what kind of things are important to use the adverbs. Let's see about the adverbs in this class. Okay, so let's start. So let's begin with the definition of adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Okay, so that modifies the meaning of a verb. Okay, so here in a sentences, if there is an verb, there is an action. So you have to find out that action which took place in what time it is and how much time, and what kind of a action and what kind of a place, okay, and what kind of a possibility. So you should have to know it. That modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb here. Okay, that is called as a definition of adverb. Okay, so now let's see about the examples. So first I will write the definition of adverb. So here an adverb is a word that modifies. So these are the verbs which modifies the meaning of a verb, the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb or another adverb. So with the example, let's see with the example. So how the sentence tells about a adverb. So we can say here, Mandy drives carefully. So carefully. Mandy drives carefully. Then next is Mandy is a very careful driver. Okay. Then Mandy drives very carefully. So with the help of these examples, let's understand more about the adverb. Okay, so Mandy drives, here we will see this one. We will look after this one. Mandy is a very careful driver. Okay, it says about the noun. It modifies the noun. It says the quality of a noun. So the Mandy is very careful driver. While he was driving, he was very careful. Okay, he was a very careful driver. So when we change to the sentence, like when it says about a verb, means about action. Mandy drives carefully. Okay, so carefully in a sentence it says about the Mandy means about the action. So how he was driving? He drives carefully. So it says about a quality of a person, and it says about a quality of a verb. Okay, so it says about a quality of a noun, and it is a verb. And it here is adjective. Adjective, you can say adverb. Okay, adjective you can say here. Mandy drives very carefully. So how he was driving? He was driving very carefully. He is driving very carefully. Okay, so this is the meaning of the adverb. Okay, now I have explained you. So with the help of examples, I hope that you have understood the adverbs, how we are using the sentences while making the sentences like adverbs, then verb, okay, then adjective. So let's move on to the types of adjective. Types of adverbs. Types of adverbs. So here we have different types of adverbs. Okay, so let's discuss about the types of adverbs. So first is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. The adverb words which tells about the time. Okay, then it tells us when the action took place. Okay, the adverbs of time, it tells about when the action took place. Okay, it says about when the action took place. So when it was happened. So this tells about the action when it was happened. So example, I went for a movie yesterday. I went for a movie yesterday. So here the time, it says about the time when the action took place. Okay, so that is called as the adverbs of time. Okay, adverbs of time here. Then next is example is they will rehearse for the show tonight. They will rehearse for the show tonight. So when the action will take place? Tonight. Okay, so it will take place in the future. So that shows the adverb of time. Okay, so here it shows the adverb of time. So yesterday, tonight, these are called as adverbs of time. So whenever we use the sentence, okay, whenever we use the sentence like this, so when we are mentioning about the time, the tonight, yesterday, morning, evening, okay, so that tells about the adverb of time. Then Ritu finishes all his task early. Ritu finishes all her tasks early. Okay, so early is called as a adverb of time. Okay, this is about. Next, move on to the adverbs of frequency. So next type of adverb is adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. So frequency. Okay, so what is this? This tells us about, this adverb of frequency tells us about often an action takes place. Okay, how many times it is that action has repeatedly occurred. Okay, how many times it tells about the action. Okay, often. Okay, how often it was the action takes place. How often it tells about how often the action takes place. Okay, so the action has done twice or once or thrice. Okay, every time, repeatedly, it has repeated. So that kind of a sentences, like see here, like understand with the help of examples. Jeet practices violin. Jeet practices violin regularly. Okay, so regularly is the frequency. Okay, the action, how often the action takes place. Okay, So regularly, it says about regular routine of a Jeet. He was practicing regularly. He is practicing regularly that violin. So regularly is called as a adverbs of frequency. Okay. Then next is Ninad will come again. Okay, again. So once again he was come back. Okay, he was come. So he will come. So that is called again. It is called as a possibility of frequency. So action that took place have often. Okay, how many times it has repeated that action. So it says about the word says about the adverbs of frequency. So let's move on to the adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. They tells us where an action takes place. Okay. So this adverbs of place tells us about where the action takes place. Take place. Example. The teachers come here at once. Where the action takes place. Come here at once. So here, okay, it says about a action of a place. Okay, action of a place. So that tells. Then she took the lady inside. She took the lady inside. Inside. Here, there, inside, outside, above, under. Okay. So where the action takes place. So where means which place it was takes place. So that is called as a adverbs of place. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner. So manner. So which manner it was said? The action was takes place in which manner? Making here tells how or in what manner the action takes place. How. The word says how or how and how or in what manner action occurred. Action occurred. Action occurred. Example, the teachers and mentors are working hard on the project. Okay, the teachers and mentor. The teachers and mentors working hard for the projects. For the projects. The teacher and mentors are working hard for the projects. So in what manner the action takes place? In what manner? They are working hard. So they are not sitting quiet. They are doing hard work for the projects. Then Amrita speaks fluent English. Amrita speaks English fluently. Okay. Fluently it says about the manner. Okay. How the action, in what manner the action occurred. So she is saying in a good manner. Okay. Not in a bad manner. Not in a bad thing. She was speaking. She speaks English fluently. Okay, so this is about the adverb of manner. Let's move on to the adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. So in this adverbs of degree, it tells that degree of quality of an action. Okay, so it tells about the extent and how much the action extended. Okay, then the degree of a quality or an action. It says about the degree of a quality or an actions. Like Shaista was a very beautiful girl. Shahista was a very beautiful girl. So very beautiful, it says the adverbs of degree. Okay, very beautiful. So you know, in the degrees of comparison, so like superlative, then positive degree, superlative degree and comparative degrees. So how we are using those words when we compare, okay, and which is in a positive one also. So then Shaista was a very beautiful girl. The very beautiful, it says about the adverbs of degree. Okay, this is called as a adverbs of degree. So let's see about the next example. You should not be careful. You should not be too careful about your attire. Attire means the dresses which we use, attire, the dressing sense. Okay, attire. We should, someone say that why you are so careful about your attire. Okay, so here says, here in the sentence, you should not be too much careful about the attires. That should be not good one. Okay, so that is the word called to, that is called as a adverbs of degree. Okay, so this is the next is adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason. The last types of adverb is adverbs of reason. Adverb of reason. Adverb of reason, they answer the question why an action takes place. Okay, so they tells that why the action takes place. Why the action takes place. Why the action takes place. For example, Sudha has become weak, so she should have proper diet. Okay, Sudha has become weak, so she should have a proper diet. So the reason, okay, so the adverb of reason, like so Sudha has become weak, she has become weak, so she has to follow a proper diet. She should have a proper diet. Then only she can be a strong, okay, strong girl. So the word called so, it tells the reason of a action, okay. So why the action takes place. So it tells the reason here, okay. This is about. So I hope that you have understood about. Another one example I will say here, that is, so you will get more idea about that. Sudha has been, or she has been shortlisted, hence she has to prepare for the final round. She has to prepare for the final round. Here hence is called as a adverbs of reasons, okay. She has been shortlisted. Her name was come in a list. So she has to prepare in a final round, okay. So she hence, not so, you can use the, instead of using so, you can use the hence here. Hence she has to prepare for the final round, okay. So this is about the degrees of reason. So today's class we have learned about the adverb, the meaning of adverb and the types of adverb. So here the adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of reason, adverbs of degrees, okay. So adverbs of frequency. So these are the types of adverbs. So today, so we have learned these kinds of adverbs. So I hope that you have understood this, okay. So now it's about a practice time. So today I will give you some of the questions which is related to the adverbs. So there you have to find out what are the words, which types of the adverbs here, okay. So adverbs you should have to underline that, underline in the sentence. So these adverbs are in what kind. So it's about a practice time. So find out the adverbs in a sentence and the kinds of adverbs. So the questions are: they spoke loudly. They spoke loudly. I am highly impressed with her presentation. She looked quite nervous. The birds were chirping merrily. He never came to my place to visit me. Earlier, they used to travel in their car. Okay. So these are the questions here. So in that sentences you have to identify what kind of adverbs these are and underline those words and find out the types of adverbs here. So once again I am repeating the questions here. They spoke loudly. I am highly impressed with her presentation. She looked quite nervous. The birds were chirping merrily. He never came to my place to visit me. Earlier they used to travel in their cars. Okay, so it is about today's class. I hope that you all are understood and you all are enjoyed this class. enjoyed this grammar class. Okay, so all of you stay at home, keep learning. Thank you.